Are you enjoying this, baby?
I'm enjoying it so much. It's so beautiful, guys. It's alright, Terry. Well, on, it's alright, it's alright.
It's a holiday. Yeah.
Who are select dang holiday for me?
Request play a ding dong holiday.
Ding dong holiday. Oh, but that's yours.
Yes, you'll see.
So carpet.
Zong.
That color is so low.
Yes, people.
Sweet squad.
We are arriving at our destination shortly. Another day's adventure.
It's a one room and a mansion.
Because you know I'm my thing. A little more in the club, we are the woman.
Yes, guys, so we're here. We're just gonna pay to go. Hi.
Where are you going today?
Volcano Bay.
Volcano Bay, 30.
There you go.
What is that on your phone? I love that.
What is that? Oh, it's just a handle. It's fancy.
Put that on? You stuck it on there?
No, I bought it with it on.
Oh, so cool.
Thank you.
I can't believe somebody said that to you. Like, other people didn't want that time of day.
Volcano Bay, you said.
Yeah.
Some other people
That is your change.
in one was going to
This
Florida.
shows you're
They
going to
said they
Volcano
like-
Bay.
Okay.
Oh, let me see that hair. Beautiful. And you too? Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're going to have so much fun today. Follow that green sign, Volcano Bay.
Alrighty.
And then they'll take you by bus.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thanks.
much for the
Bye.
fun. That was
That's a
pleasant.
nice lady.
Yeah, that's such a nice lady. Yes, nice.
Yes, Tally, you know good people out there.
But who's not? Who's that though?
Got some banana trees here.
They look like plant to me.
That don't know the difference.
We
You
have to
know,
actually take a bus.
so basically, it look like the shuttle will take us
Yeah.
there.
Everything is just so big, man. You can't park big things have to take a bus today.
Yeah. So that I go Volcano one day I go Volcano there. Guys, the one I bus there I go Volcano.
I was shaking.
So I think you later.
Tram crossing. See there? That's one of the buses that's gonna take us. Hey. There's some green side there. One night with you, no doubt.
So the sweet squad, they have like some shuttle bus here. I think we have to get searched up here and go through security.
I need to do my
Hi. Hi, morning. Thank you. Okay, then. Okay, wanna go on? Go on the bus, baby. Look, female bus driver like myself. Tell you wanna sit down? Sit beside Tyrese there.
Sit here, Tally Pops. Sweet Squad, welcome back to the Sweet Fam, guys. We are coming to you from Volcano Bay. Yeah. So today, guys, in Universal Disney Volcano Bay. So we come to sweet up the place, right?
Yes, guys, we're coming nice up the place. We just got off our
Shuttle bus.
that took us here. So now we are going to get into the fun bit of it. See, those are some other bus coming
Wet
there.
and wild. So there's our next bus coming. All right, should we go?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right, go on in front, Evan.
Let us do
All right, Tally,
this.
you want to come with me?
I'm gonna have my passport.
When we get there, okay, baby?
Wow, so sometime the queue reach all out here, so.
Wow. I think we came on the best day.
Yeah. I think we still have a
We came
long
on
ride.
13 degrees.
Yeah.
Let's see what's happening down here.
They have fans.
We need to collect that watch as well.
Yeah, we do.
And then we lift the top so you get a little tap.
Yeah, I think
What
when
them
we
call it tapu tapu or something like
tapu
that.
tapu watch. Yep.
Supposed to get some tapu tapu watch or tapu tapu. I don't know how they pronounce it, but we're supposed to get some tapu on watch. So I wonder what's around this corner now. Let's see. Let's see your reaction when you go around the corner.
Wow.
Oh, nothing special as yet.
Tally, where you on me, baby?
Like a green grotto cave.
This is exactly what I saw in that bag.
It's okay, Tally. Tally not like it. Don't like it, baby? It's alright. This is just the only dark bit, okay?
I went through this in the roller coaster and I was screaming. Not the one yesterday, but the one
When we're in
the mall.
yeah.
This is exactly what I went through. That's one whole bag. No. And then that's where the fire.
So, Sweet Squad, we chose to take the scenic route as opposed to the escalators to try and get in some sceneries. I think we made the right choice. What do you think?
Yeah.
This is definitely bamboo.
Bamboos.
Something hard to speak of.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's
And the
nice.
place is clean.
Ashanda would have loved this.
This is like Holland bamboo in Jamaica.
Okay, we're here.
We're here, so I think we go right here. Or straight around.
I think this is where we're gonna get our pass.
Is there a queue here anyway? Not so nice place to take picture here.
Yeah.
This is nice with the sun.
Wow, see they already got water there.
Yeah.
Beautiful. No, honey, this is very important. Okay.
Okay, so this is the Volcano Bay entrance. Guys, I think my man here is tired.
Yeah,
Snoring down the place. You got to wash your face again. Go on then. You afraid of the water? Good, get it.
Box said
Alright. Good now?
Alright, so this is where we
Feel
get
cool
the
now.
Yeah, man.
oh, I've got them here. Hi,
Here,
baby.
so we need to get the pass them together now.
Yeah.
Not mine.
No, that's Dad's. I will keep yours, okay?
Hi, Ted.
We are excited. I am
I
excited.
am excited as well. The sun got to you a while ago, Terry.
Look at that fountain.
Look at that. This is where we check in and get our, what's the pass called, Dad?
Tapu tapu.
Tapu tapu passes, yeah. So we're just in the queue now waiting.
How you gonna go on the line?
We're gonna
Yeah,
get our watches up there.
We're gonna get our watch to put on our hands now. Which one are you gonna put yours on? We're gonna get a wristband to put on our hand. Which one are you gonna put yours on? Which hand? That one. Yeah, I'm gonna put mine on my right hand as well. Next one will be Udara.
Steven.
Table.
And this one is for Tavon. Okay, okay.
Alrighty. Okay. Alright.
And then it's year one. So this is oh you get it.
This ring fast. You're gonna put that on, okay? So we're gonna go
Oh,
over
you
there.
can go with your sister. I'm gonna tell you for
Baby.
that's for Alice.
And last but not least,
Yeah, this would be
the best one. And the Peter Pointers, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty, right there.
Perfect. Got it.
Got it.
that way you want it.
Yeah.
Turn them down gently, please.
Tolly, look where you're walking.
That's it.
Okay.
Come and help you, Tavon. Sweet squad. So we all bling out with our tapu tapu
Tapu tapu.
watches.
Yeah.
Let me see your watch. Tapu tapu watches. Let me see your watch, Telly. What's it called? Tapu tapu watch. Yeah.
I wonder if these are waterproof.
Are you ready for your phone or do you want me to keep it for you?
I'm ready.
I think Mom should keep it here. You're gonna. Okay, should we make our
Okay.
way now? Alright, ready?
Okay, ready. So apparently they offer towels.
Okay, that's nice. Volcano Bay.
Volcano Bay. This place
Need
is
some picture
so
right here, guys.
good. Yeah,
it's
definitely.
very, very beautiful. The
Oh,
guys-
look at that! They're just rushing towards it. Look at
Yeah.
them. No picture at this little Volcano Bay.
Come, Tavon. Sweetfam. So we are
People,
in the main place now, guys. Volcano
he said
Bay.
the man said that's the scariest ride, and I'm gonna go on it.
On the volcano one.
That is the man.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I have to check it out and see if it is alright. I'm not sure. Are you guys looking forward to that one?
Okay, baby. I want to take Tally to the loo.
I'm gonna take off the shirt.
They
No,
make
not
some
yet, not
creepy
yet, not
sound
yet,
door.
not yet. This is a people dryer, guys. So we pay $6 and it dry off your body.
Yeah. I'm just doing a free thing to show Sweet Squad this amazing park. Yes guys, so we are currently looking for the lazy river, guys. Nice and calming atmosphere. Beautiful. Loads of what do you call over there? So pub for cocktails and your drink. Yeah, that's all like Boza. Boza. Wow, so beautiful. Okay. Look, Tali, the lazy river is here. We're gonna go on it. My gosh.
Mama, my glass is gonna
That way. Okay.
Mama, you're coming with me.
Oh no. So where are the tubes? Because this is where you... Wow, the water is so clear. So apparently we don't have to go in the water in any tube, because this is the one that pushes us down. Yeah. So I'll go with Tali on one, and then yeah, that's the plan. Wow, look at this one. You're going to go on that one, Dad? This slide here?
All of us going in there.
No, baby, I'm not going on that one, baby. I'm not going on that one at all.
Yeah. It's fine going on.
Is it this way? What is this? Rough slides. Is it here? I don't even know. Huh? Anything? Alright, so all of us gonna go on it then? Alright. Just for the Sweetfam, I will do this, Tali. Just for you guys, I'm going on this year because I don't like rides. I don't like these heights. But I'm going on it, yeah? Yes, oh, I'm fat too far. We all going on it. No, she's coming with us. Yay, fun! I'll stay with you, okay, Tally? Because you are a bit too short. So I'm gonna stay. What are these? So you're gonna tap on your passes to go on here. 20 minutes what? Wait?
Oh, we're already in this line.
Okay.
This is one now.
Mama, we going on that big blue one.
This blue one, you're going down in the tube. I'm gonna wait with Sally. I'm not going. So 20 minutes time, you ready? Yeah, let's see. This way, Tariq. What is this for? The ride that you guys going on?
Yeah.
So we see you then?
Yeah, around that way.
Okay. Sally, it's just me and you then, because we ain't going on that ride, okay? Yeah, everyone else is going.
Come back in 20 minutes.
I think so. I said see you in 20 minutes, so maybe 20 minutes time you come back.
This was a family ride. I don't know, so we don't know which one's which.
When are we gonna go on
See you in 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Huh?
When are we gonna go on the beach?
We will go in a bit, okay? You want to get in some water? Okay, we're gonna look for some water.
I wait 20 minutes to come back.
20 minutes, look.
Uh-uh. Maybe we can put Tali in some water, because she... Maybe we can see what's the wait time for the lazy river, because everyone wants to go on that.
So the least river just up on.
You're just up in that.
Yeah, but I don't know the entrance.
This way as well. Oh, one day we can't ride it in a 20 minutes, can we? Because it's... Look at this beautiful flower. Yeah. We can just walk it down and get some tubes for the younger ones. You want to put your foot in the sun? Look, mind, some water is dropping, so don't let it drop on you. If it bursts, it would be pouring down. Someone's coming out it. Huh? Yeah, let's go. Come, let's go. Huh?
Do they have crabs?
Huh?
Do they have crabs?
I don't know. We'd have to see what's available here. It starts there. Yeah.
I don't even think crabs bite that hard. They can easily just kick it off.
Well, will we have enough time? You guys have enough time though. Ribbit, look at the frog. Hey Froggy.
Hi, Frog.
Hey pal.
Hey, Froggy. Go on, Froggy.
Okay, so this is where the lazy river starts. Yay!
Wait a minute. We're looking at
pero no sirve para eso, me parece.
One life jacket for you guys.
We only need one life jacket.
Getting life jacket for the princess and for Tavy. Tavy, I think it's the other. Get one of them yellow ones. Anyone? Yeah, that should be alright. Yep, that's it. You want me to strap you up? Yes. Strap him up, Tyrese. Wait on mommy, Tavy. Let me come with you. So we want to get a...
Guys, you're going to enter on the right side, please. Enter on the right.
So where are the tubes? The tubes coming in there?
5 minutes. My one's at 10. Let's just do this for Italian then.
We can go book in back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put on your glasses, baby.
We need...
Water there,
We need to get a flowy.
There's one there.
Oh Lord, where are the floaties? What's over, so? Okay. This is getting deep for Tally. Tariq is in. Yeah. But she's too tiny. Oh gosh. Oh, let's put Tally in this one because she's tiny. He's good. You want to see where you're going? Yeah, so we can see. Hi, Bisa. Hey. That's my princess there. And Dad. Bombarated. Yes. Bombarated. Okay, let's wait on Dad. Okay, sir. Okay. You okay? You're falling in? That's the water down there. What Evan, terrace of him? I am the terrace of him? What? Terrace, go get him, Dad. We can't even see him now. Sally, you okay? Hold up your head, baby. Hold up your head. Look where you're going. Okay. Better try go through the park with less water. Hold up your head now.
Huh?
See Tavon right there. He's okay. Look, look, look. Cheers. Tavon there? Did you? Faint. They're gonna come down soon now because they are like, I can't even zoom in this thing. They are way to the top, baby. They're all the way up there. Yeah, so I think they're gonna be coming down soon now. Yeah, so we just got to wait up for these rides to come down.
It's alright, Terry. Well, on, it's alright. It's alright. Yeah.
Hey, hey! Tavon, you're the one that let me know you guys was coming down. He was making so much noise. There's a long queue up there. Look at that. Oh. Tally, girl, your glasses down. What's that again? Was that good? Was it good, Thais? Terry, I heard Tavon was screaming. Thank you. I'm not going in that ride.
I went to videos like, nope. Hold on,
oh gosh. Tavon was making a lot of noise, you know? Yes, he's the one, because I was like, how long am I going to wait for you guys? And Tavon was like, okay, let's get going.
I got the Empire, that's about it, that's about it.
Oh, so the one where you can actually go spray people, Dad? So there was some where you can actually spray people with. You remember that where we were looking at, Dad? Up there.
Yeah. That's the kiddie section.
Yeah, we could carry Tally over there.
Go there now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
There's so much rotation. There's like 3 cities, 3 different places.
Yeah.
We've got the River Village, the Rainforest Village. I think we've only been to the Wave Village.
Yeah.
So we've got the other one.
Yeah.
I told that I didn't want to go and this too late.
Well,
What's the difference?
Where's Stevan? Okay. Come, Tariq. Sally, wait. Sally, don't go away, leave us because we're high, okay? You want to play in the water for a bit? Okay. Woo-hoo. Wow, the water feels so good. Want to go there? Okay. Daddy's taking some pictures, okay? Want to go and take pictures of the boys?
Turn around, Tally. Come. Stay back. Turn around, quick to the corner, buddy. Come.
Wait up, Tally. Don't run away, leave us. You have to go through this quickly. Woo! It's okay. Bridgie. And up. Woo, the water is... Are you okay? Good girl. That's the weight. Okay? Okay, let's wait, honey. Let's wait. Hey. Where's the dad?
Looking going down?
Okay, just stay. We're going down.
Turn around for me and take a hike. Stand here. No, he's okay.
Just about.
He's going to be too tall though.
Okay.
Oh, okay, you have to be under this one.
They got to be under.
Okay, so tell me you can't go this because I can't go.
Okay.
He might be like right at the line.
Yeah.
Some people might not let him ride, but I feel like he's like right there. But tell them he's 54 inches exact.
Okay. You're okay to go down by Tevin a bit.
Ready?
You know. You want to go or you want to not go? I don't want you to go down there and distress because mom and dad is not down
This is
there.
a really slow slide. This is not scary.
Okay.
The scary one is the blue one in the middle. That one. That's our fastest line.
Okay. All right, baby, go.
I'm going to go down and meet you, okay?
Okay. Go,
Come on,
baby, go, baby, go. Let's catch baby. Okay, all up your head, Sally. Quickly. Come down, baby. We're gonna square. Is he down? Where is he? Oh, there's baby.
Can I go in the blue one? Can I go in the blue one, Mom?
Huh?
Can I go in the blue one?
Oh wait, Polly. Let's try and squirt some people that's passing on that, okay? Let's squirt that little girl. Spray her. Yeah. Out. Let's spray them. Spray them, Tally. Spray them, Tally. Yeah, spray them, Tally, spray them. Alright. Yes, yes, Tally. Yeah, spray her. Spray that boy. Spray him, spray him, spray him. You need to spray this. Alright, so some people come in and hold it down here, so, and spray that boy. Spray him, spray him. Spray him, spray him. Spray them.
I'm gonna be here waiting for you, okay? Walk, baby.
Yes, baby. Spray them. Huh?
Tally, you're trying to wait up everyone, Tally.
Yes, Tally, wet up that girl. Get her. Yes, Tally, hold it. Keep holding it. She gonna get wet. Ah! Keep holding it, Tally. Keep spraying. Spray that man there. Spray him, spray him, spray him. Spray that one over there, that one there.
Yeah, catch it.
I want to go with that again.
Hey, Bob, you're here. Walk, baby. Go up under the cave, them mom down there.
Huh?
Them caves under there, you want to go on there?
No, come here. Do all of me here. Go with up all the way to the yeah, can't Tally.
Come, we're going to the cave side. Come.
Alright. I'm just gonna walk with you guys until you get there. Hey, you're back. Yay, enjoy. Sally, look at this, baby. Sally, I'm gonna wet you up. That was fun. Whoa, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. enjoying the sand. Feels so good. No, baby, that's people's property. I want to go straight to the front and see that volcano.
Turn around, Terry.
Okay, so we're going down to the volcano beach now. Got nice, beautiful sand. Atmosphere is beautiful, everything is nice. Yes, so this is the trending, famous Volcano Bay. Hi, Daddy. So this is the famous volcano bay. Yes, guys. Okay, I'm going in the water now to meet my family. Beautiful. Are you enjoying this, baby?
I'm enjoying it so much. It's so beautiful, guys. And I think Tavon is enjoying it, but he has to be careful of the waves.
Yes. This is a man-made beach, but trust me, it has wave and everything in it.
Sorry. Sorry, be careful, be careful, right?
This is amazing. The volcano of smoke and everything coming up there. This is beautiful, people. Perfect family day out in Florida.
Hi, Tavon.
Perfect family day out. We have the lifeguard up there. Hi, honey. And that's my beautiful family there. Your glasses is going. I catch it right in time. Tell you what, no splash, baby.
Careful, okay, baby? Come, tell him to come. Oh no. Come on, guys. Alright, Tally, you had fun?
Yeah, but I'm gonna miss the pool.
Don't worry, we come back.
One more we come back.
You enjoy yourself, Terry?
Yes, Dad.
You had fun?
Yes, Dad.
Hmm?
When are we gonna come back?
Go on, Tally, follow them. Follow behind.
Hello. Going straight down, Tally. Straight down to the bendy bit. This bit gonna go swinging. Come. Just hold on to me.